Hello children, today we are going to study about multiplication. Multiplication. The product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. In other words, multiplication is also called as repeated addition. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Here 5 is multiplicand. The number which we multiply is called as multiplicand. 7 is multiplier. The number which multiply is called as multiplier. 35 is product. The answer is called as product. 1 into 45 is equal to 45. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 1 into 21 is equal to 21. 1 into any number is equal to the same number. So, 1 is called multiplicative identity. Multiplication by expanded form. We take two digits number for multiplication, 56 and 35. Now we multiply 56 and 35. Here 56 is multiplicand and 35 is multiplier. We will expand multiplier. Here multiplier is 35. Then 30 plus 5. We multiply 56 into 5 because 5 it is in unit place. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. We write 0 here and carry number we should write this place. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. Now we multiply 56 into 30 because 30 it is in tens place. First we write 0. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Then write 8 here and carry number we should write on this place. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Now we add both numbers. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 here and one number is carry. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9 and then 1. Then thus the product is 1960. Now we take 3 digits numbers for multiplication. Numbers are 169 and 251. We multiply 169 into 251. 169 is multiplicand and 251 is multiplier. Now we expand multiplier. 200 plus 50 plus 1. We multiply 169 into 1 because 1 it is in unit place. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now we multiply 169 into 50 because 50 it is in tens place. First we write 0. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Write 5 here and carry number we should write this place. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Write 4 here and carry number we should write this place. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now we multiply 169 into 200. Then first we write 2 zeros. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Write 8 here and then carry number we should write this place. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now we add carry number also. 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here and one number we should write here. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we add all numbers together. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 6 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 11. Write 1 here and one number is carry. 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8. is equal to 14. Write 4 here and one number is carry. 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. Write 2 here and one number is carry. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Thus, the product is 42,419. Now, we solve problem sums. Sukhi works on a firm. He is paid rupees 98 for 1 day. If he works for 52 days, how much will he earn? According to this question, we have earning of 1 day is equal to rupees 98. Earning of 52 days is equal to rupees 98 into 52. Now we multiply 98 by 52. We will multiply to the right side. 98 is multiplicand and 52 is multiplier. Now 98 into 2 is equal to 196. And now multiply 98 into 5 is equal to 490. And 1 is tens place. Now we add both numbers. The answer is 5096. Rupees 5096. Thus, Sukhi will earn rupees 5096. Harya took a loan to build his house. He has to pay back rupees 2750 every month for 2 years. How much money will he pay back in 2 years? We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 2 years is equal to 12 into 2 is equal to 24 months. Money paid back in 1 month is equal to rupees 2750. Money paid back in 2 years is equal to rupees 2750 into 24. Now we multiply 2750 into 24 to the right side. 2750 is multiplicand and 24 is multiplier. Now we multiply 2750 into 4 is equal to 11,000. 2750 into 2 is equal to 55,000. Now we add both numbers, that is 66,000. Rupees 66,000. Thus, he will pay back rupees 66,000 in 2 years. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for plants? According to this question, we have number of rooms is equal to 26. Number of plants in one room is equal to 4. Number of plants in 26 rooms is equal to 26 into 4 is equal to 104 plants. Number of cups of water needed for one plant is equal to 2. Total number of cups of water needed for plants is equal to 2 into 104 is equal to 208 cups of water. Thus, we need 208 cups of water for plants. Thank you, children.